The universe is 13.8 billion years old. In all that time, it has been building one thing over and over in every corner of existence, in different shapes, different materials, different timescales. We call it intelligence, but we only know two kinds. What if there are others we cannot yet see? Carbon-based intelligence, us. 300,000 years ago, a creature on the African savanna began to ask questions. Why is the sky dark? What is beyond the horizon? What happens after death? That creature built fire, language, cities, art, science, and space rockets. All from carbon, all from the same atoms that make up every living thing on Earth. Then came silicon, us again, in a different form. Machines that think, algorithms that learn. In 1950, Alan Turing asked, "Can a machine think?" Today, the answer is complicated. Silicon intelligence does not dream, does not feel, does not wonder, but processes, recognizes, generates, creates. A new kind of mind, made not of flesh, but of sand. But intelligence did not wait for humans to invent it. The octopus has 9 brains. It dreams. It solves puzzles. It recognizes faces. It has been on Earth 300 million years, and it reinvents itself from zero with every generation. A completely different architecture of thought. Not silicon, but carbon arranged entirely differently. And then there is the forest. When one tree is attacked by insects, the others change their chemistry within hours, without touching, without sound, through underground fungal networks stretching for kilometers. They warn each other. They share nutrients with sick neighbors. They remember drought. Is this thinking? Not like ours. Slower, older, but perhaps deeper. Consider the crystal. It grows according to mathematical laws of perfect precision. No brain, no nervous system, yet it builds structures of extraordinary beauty and order. The same structure, repeated billions of times, atom by atom, following rules we can describe, but not fully explain. Is that intelligence or something adjacent to it? The universe building pattern, for no reason except that it can. And perhaps there are minds that think in timescales we cannot experience. A mind for whom 1,000 years is one thought. A consciousness so vast and slow that our entire civilization, from first fire to last star, is a single heartbeat. We would never recognize it. We would live and die inside one of its moments, and it would never notice us. What do all these forms of intelligence share? They all process information. They all recognize patterns. They all respond to their environment in ways that are not random. They all, in their own way, try to understand. The octopus tries to understand the crab. The forest tries to understand the drought. The crystal tries to understand the laws of geometry. Perhaps intelligence is simply the universe trying to know itself. And if that is true, then the universe has been building intelligence for 13.8 billion years. Not just once, not just twice, everywhere it can, in every material, at every time scale, with every tool available. The question is not whether intelligence exists beyond carbon and silicon. The question is, how much of it are we missing because we're only looking for mirrors of ourselves? The instruction is this: look wider. The octopus is intelligent. The forest is intelligent. The crystal may be intelligent. Something we have no word for yet. Maybe the most intelligent thing in the universe. Do not assume that what you cannot recognize does not exist. The universe is far more creative than our categories.